reka dukomeze tukubaze kwa Robertinho turaza kumaza neza.
Ese rwaruto Robertinho mpamvu uri kuganira iki? Uzi igifaransa?
Nyumva gake
Rwaruto uyu munsi ugiye kumbariza Robertinho mu gifaransa. Bimubaze.
Unampenda? Unampenda?
Robertinho, he says that you love him.
Yes, this guy is my brother. Yes, long time. The first time when I come here in Rayon, 6 years ago, he stayed with me all time.
Yes.
We win. 4 titles, he qualified in Champions League. We win. Outside. About that, this guy.
You know his name?
What is his name? What's his name? Robertinho.
Manager of Robertinho. Talk.
Okay.
He's my brother. My brother.
He say how many children do you have?
Listen, I respect too much, you know. The fans was responsible for Robertinho to come back again.
Yes.
About that, I'm very happy because I repeated the same performance before. You understand? I'm very happy because Rayon is a big club.
Okay, so let's talk about the preparation of tomorrow match. You know you will face with Gorilla. The last time you are equalized 2-2. What do you expect? What do you told your players?
Yes. It's very important because, you know, we have a good opportunity in this game with Gorilla for winning, but I respect too much my opponent. But I prepare my team for play well and win. And Cavan come back, he's ready. Youssef too, okay. Overlenga, many players, many titular players coming now for winning. They are ready for playing football.
So you have the too many striker, but you will play tomorrow without your first striker for Ngani. What did the fans of Leo Sports should expect? They can expect that Ngani will come back on the season, or we can wait him next season.
Listen, now we cannot talk too much about this point.
Yes.
Okay, because we lose far. He's our top scorer.
Yes.
Okay, he's top scorer of championship too. Mais il a not strike. Okay, he scored 2 goals. Okay, it's very important. He's Rwanda player. Okay, I think it's good moment for him, and I believe too much in his capacity for support our attack, because you know very well our team like too much play with the ball. I told you samba, ball possession. After that, finish our action. Okay, who is responsible for finish our action? Cavan and our striker.
Yes.
Coach, what about your assistant coach?
Yes, his football have one problem with his family.
Yes.
He needed to come back to Tunisia.
Yes.
He's my friend, but it's our life. It's football. Our life is the same. Now I am here. No problem for me. Our objective, our goal out will be every time. Play well, and win. About that, don't have another team, okay, the same Rayon. Hey, don't have now in championship, only Rayon. We respect everyone, but the opponent did respect Rayon.
Okay.
He's come back.
He will come back.
Yes.
Okay. So the last question is this one. You know, on the Sunday we have the derby of APR versus Leo Sports. What should you tell the Leo Sports fans about this derby?
Listen, you know me very well.
Yes.
I love too much derby.
Yes.
You know why? Because I have emotion.
Yes.
And our team having too much fans
Yes.
okay, in the world. It's
In the
not
world.
only here.
Yes.
In the world. Okay.
Yes.
About that, in my life was every time in Maracanã derby. 200,000 people in Maracanã.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Yes.
But listen, it's a good moment for Rayon and good moment for championship of Rwanda. But I go prepared. But I think now is not a good moment for talk about derby.
Yes.
Okay. Now we need give priority for Gorilla. Okay. After that, I go seek about the derby.
Okay, about the derby. Thank you. Dr. Burak, you kissed the man.
No, uyu ni kocha
His
nkunda
name is
ameze
Tabura.
nk'abantu
Tabula! Yalabalo!
Oh, Tabula. Okay, bella ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Okay.
Thank you coach, we trust in you.
Okay, Gutebya garuka hano wowe urimo urajya hehe?
Nta mucoma ntacyo wicecekesha umva nkubwe noneho bagiye kubona yuko ikipe y'Imana umusaza wabwiye ijambo ati navuye mu ishyamba ndazinze kura match umva wa mugabo wotiyogoshesheje ndanakwiyamye.
Okay, Rayon Sport yacu.
Wimbaza ibya Rayon Sport.
Rwarutaho
Yes.
kankubaza akabazo kanyuma nkurekura wigenda.
Wimbaza akabazo kanyuma nako ndabyara ababyeyi bari ku muganga.
Ngumva twagiye
Ababyeyi bari kwa muganga.
Rwarutaho ubushize abasaza baza ibyishimo byarakurenze urarira.
Ubu nareka nkubwire niko bagiye gukora akazi bagakora amateka bazanye ibyo baduteje n'amagambo bagiye bavuga ku bana n'abanyamukuru ariko icyo babasaza icyo bazanye n'urukundo n'umunizo n'byishimo mwe muri abana sinyamvuga n'amana muzi kuvuguta ntabwo uzi n'imbetezi
ariko ejo muri twahuye uri murishyuza ngo bisi ngo bemeye bisi ngo none ni
iyo bisi umugore utabya ntabwo ntakabamo amazi.
Iyo bisi barayibahaye
bande
abo basaza wavuga
wari se
ako ni wavuga ko uri kwishyuza bisi
wagiye muri bisi se wewe wajya mu rukiko
najyayo
umunwa bacumwa mu Kinyarwanda ngo imbaraga zibuze iki.